So thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this MBL Family Legal Aid Practical Tips and Latest Changes with me, Simon Craddock, the solicitor, and my colleague, Vicky Ling.
Thanks very much, Simon. Yes, I'm a legal aid consultant. I've been an independent consultant for many, many years now, decades. In my background, I started off working in the not-for-profit sector and the statutory sector, working in a trading standards department. I've worked in citizens advice services and law centres, as well as in the very dim and distant past for the Legal Aid Board, which was when I began to develop an expertise in legal aid. And I've worked with hundreds of firms of solicitors on all issues legal aid. And I'm one of the editors of the legal action group Legal Aid Handbook, and that's why I'm here today.
Thank you. I should have gone first, Vicky, after that splendid intro. I'm Simon Craddock. I qualified as a family lawyer in 1990 when I was 15. Now, that's the only deliberate lie of the whole slides. And I have been a mediation supervisor since 1994. So today, we are doing welcome and introductions. This webinar is designed for legal aid practitioners practicing in private children law, financial remedies, and Family Law Act injunctions. So over to you for the next slide, Vicky.
Thank you, Simon. So this is what we're going to be talking about and what you'll hopefully learn about during the session. So the first thing we'll look at is the criteria you need to meet and maintain to have a legal aid family practice. We'll be covering some changes in the legal aid agency's approach to tendering. Then we'll move on to the scope of legal aid, so which cases need domestic abuse evidence and which do not. We will just be looking briefly at the new domestic abuse protection orders and domestic abuse protection notices. We'll be giving you some practical tips as we go along on what you can claim for under a certificate and what you cannot. We'll be looking at exceptional case funding and how that can help people who are normally out of scope of legal aid in family. Simon's going to talk about statutory charge. We'll also be covering some useful resources which the legal aid agency has been providing and still continues to provide. And we'll be looking at some practical case studies as well. And towards the end of the session, we will be addressing the legal aid agency cybersecurity incident.